Hi everyone. So today I'm going to show you how to get rid of these black scuffs that you get on your shoes. After you try to get them off with your other shoe, you end up leaving these black dirty scuffs, and it's really annoying, and it makes your new shoes kind of look not so new anymore. So what you do is you take nail polish remover. Make sure it's not 100% acetone. If it is 100% acetone, just dilute a little bit of water. That way you don't take off the full varnish off the shoe. This one is nail polish remover with acetone. So I'm just going to use a cotton pad. I'm going to put a little bit on there. I'm going to show you that scuff here. Now watch it disappear. See how easy that is? Just take it right where the white is. And it cleans up so nice, like brand new shoes. Isn't that great? All right, good luck with your new shoes. I'll see you next time. Ciao.